Every goddamn day, fucking birds shit on my fucking car. Every day. It never fails. It's like clockwork. They know when I get home, they ready to shit on my car. Let me show you. Here's my wonderful car. That, my friend, is shit. Shit on my car. Okay? Yes, there's a tree right here. But it's right here. There are no limbs, if you were out there, that are directly above my car. That may look like it's above my car, but it's not. There are no limbs directly above. As you see, they're broken off. They're cut away from the house. So that means that they're either sitting on my car and taking a shit on the side of it, or they just like my car as a shit target. Which is really fucking ridiculous. Ridiculous.